Well, 8 ways to grill chicken, huh?
Yeah, that's right.
I only did one for years. Sauced and burnt. I was good at burning
My earliest memories of
barbecue
grilled
chicken.
food, man.
But nothing is better when it's done right. I mean, barbecue chicken, love it. So 8 ways. We came up with a few.
Yeah, the chicken is a completely different animal.
Yep.
It's cooked on GrillGrate.
Yep. And I think we should talk setup for a second too, because we are kind of violating the norm here.
That's right.
I mean, I never really did a lot of 2-zone cooking, I'll admit to.
No, from the north we didn't do that. We just burnt stuff and tried not.
Fired it up, filled the grill, and then danced around it with the...
Yep.
Here we're talking about direct grilling chicken right over the coals or right over the gas.
Yep.
No safe zone, no 2-zone.
There's no need for it.
Fill the grill with chicken.
Yep.
Well, so let's talk number 1, which should be just grilled chicken.
Bone-in chicken.
Chicken parts.
Parts and pieces of chicken. You can start out with the
Skin
whole
on.
bird, skin on, bone in. You can start out with the whole bird, or you can buy one that's already been cut up at the store.
Chicken's made up of a few basic parts. It's got the breast, you've got the leg, you've got the thigh, you've got the wing. And so what we're going to do is deconstruct this bird into all of its individual pieces today. So first thing I like to do is I will usually start by removing the breast, and you got this breast bone, if you will, right here in the center, and you just want to find it with the knife. You cut down right alongside of it. You kind of feel your way down in there, and you just follow the contour of the bone, and it'll naturally release the breast. So we release the skin here by the leg, and then we come down, continue to trace the contour of the bird, cut through that skin. We're going to just trace the knife down the edge of this wishbone here and alongside of the rib cage, if you will, and just slowly carve away the breast. And then you want to come in underneath by the wing here. Just follow that guy up. And so there you have a chicken breast. If you wanted a boneless, skinless, obviously you would just remove that skin, but for our purposes, we're going to keep that skin on today. So we'll go ahead and we'll remove the next one. So we've got another breast. This is what they call the chicken tender, if you will. It's got a long tendon in the middle of it. So next what we'll do is we'll remove the wings. So we come over here, and what you're going to do is you're going to feel for where the joint is, where that bone, connects to the rest of the body. And you're just going to want to cut right through there. It's going to just naturally release itself. And so now you've got a chicken wing, and there's 2 basic portions. This is what they would call the drum. This is the wing, and that's the wing tip. So we're going to get rid of the wing tip, and then we're going to separate the wing from the drum, if you will. And so there you got flat and drum. Let's go ahead and actually remove the leg quarter. This is called a leg quarter. We're going to actually take this and break it down into a thigh and a drumstick. So again, you've got joining membrane here and muscle, if you will, connective tissue. You can see it perfectly mimics where you're going to need to cut. And you just come right down in here, and you feel for where that bone is, and it slips right through. Now you've got a drumstick, and now you've got a thigh. So we'll just repeat over here. And there you go, released itself. Come back over here, you find that little piece of fat that is drawing the line, so to speak. Cut right through it. You've got a thigh, you've got a drumstick. And then what you've got left over here is your chicken carcass. A lot of people will save these, cook them, make stock, make soup, do that sort of thing. So today we are not going to be doing that, so these will be going away. There we have 2 cut up chickens, ready to cook. All right, so we've got our chicken that we cut up in, and I threw a little bit of vegetable oil on here, got a little bit of seasoning, then add just a little bit more, and we'll just toss it. I always like to wear gloves when I'm dealing with chicken. Now we'll go take this out to the grill, and we're going to just grill some of this naturally, and the other stuff we're going to barbecue up.
Oh, I love it. Skin down, baby.
Skin down, of course. Bone-in grilled chicken.
And I like how
Simply
you place
seasoned.
the parts together too. So you put the breast together and the wings and thighs
Well,
together.
I mean, when you're temping it too, that makes it much more easy, and then we're just working with them, it makes it easier too. They come off the grill at the same time.
fill the grill. Don't worry about the flames. Enjoy that golden, crispy skin. Be careful with the sear marks. Let them be your guide. If you're black, you're too hot.
Right, yeah. With chicken, you want to really try and crisp the skin, render that fat out. You're not looking for dark, deep black marks.
You want golden brown.
Golden brown, absolutely.
So
just simple seasoning, salt and pepper. I mean, that's really all you need. But if you want to go, and get your favorite barbecue rub or some Cavenders or something like that, just a simple seasoned up piece of chicken on the grill, it's going to be an eye-opener for you.
Well, that's what we tell people. When people ask, what would be one of the first things I should grill on our new GrillGrates?
Yeah.
Chicken.
Absolutely.
GrillGrate chicken.